a lot of shine. Running up the number, that's a lot of crime. Try to take it from me, must be out your mind. Big time, lot of sun. Smoky in the air, that's a lot of pine. Pockets running over with the dollar sign. Try to take it from me. Big time, big time, big time, big time. What do you wanna do? Yeah. Come around with me. Come around with me. What do you wanna do? Yeah. Come around with me. Come around with me.
Think about why you wanted to be there in the first place. There's so much more to it that you haven't even experienced, and you will, and I hope you know that.
New York's most exciting hotel experience, the world-renowned Plaza Hotel.
Same thing, the stuff up here, just be careful about it. Some people lean back and they're like, woohoo!
Right.
Don't turn anything off. And then just listen to what I'm going to tell. Oh, that's going to be your headset.
Fabulous. Thank you so much.
All right.
Oh my God, he's so hot.
So.
Someone to love you better than I do, honey, I know. 'Cause you remind me every day. I know, I still stay.
Yeah, right now, look at that.
Oh my God, it looks scary, I swear to God.
Oh,
man.
that wasn't as bad as That's a lot of air.